To see how TradeMap handles the HS revisions, let's imagine we wish to identify the top exporting country of vanilla in the world. In the TradeMap selection menu, we type vanilla in the text box and we can see three HS codes which refer to the same product: vanilla beans, vanilla neither crushed nor ground, and vanilla crushed or ground. This already informs us that something happened during the HS code revisions. Let's select the HS code 090500 for vanilla beans and click on time series. The table appears, and below the title we can read, "The product code selected above has been removed from the 2012 HS revision." This information is extremely important. We need to be cautious about our analysis as the HS revisions and correspondences might affect trade figures. We can see in this table that India ranks first in value exported in 2012. However, we know that Madagascar is also one of the world's major vanilla exporters, but we do not see it among the top exporters in this table. Why? Let's increase the number of cases shown per page. Now, we see that according to trade data from 2008, 2009, 2010 and 2011, Madagascar is indeed amongst the leading exporters of vanilla. Even better, the value of the product exported in 2011 is much higher than the value exported by India in the same year. But Madagascar's export value for this product in 2012 is 0. Why? Madagascar switched to the HS 2012 revision in 2012. Therefore, trade data were reported in terms of the HS 2012 revision as well. Since the code 090500 does not exist in the HS 2012 revision, Madagascar started recording vanilla exports under the codes 090510 and 090520, and no longer reports values for the code 090500 from 2012 onward. The table we see is sorted according to the value exported in 2012. And Madagascar does not appear in the top exporters since the value exported is shown as 0. For the same reason, if we switch to the code 090510, we see that Madagascar reported no data on this product before the year 2012. Can we identify the top vanilla exporters regardless of the HS revision used? The first option is to switch our analysis to the HS4 level, that is, searching for the product 0905 vanilla, which aggregates all three existing HS6 digit codes. We can only do this if we know that no changes have been made to this HS4 digit code during the HS revisions. If there were any changes, remember that this would be indicated in TradeMap above the table. Using the HS4 code, we see that Madagascar appears amongst the top exporters. The second option would be to switch from time series view to trade indicators. In the trade indicators view, the value of the product under the HS code 090500 exported by Madagascar in 2012 is no longer 0, contrary to the time series representation of the data. This is because in trade indicators, all the reported data have been converted to the HS revision 2007. In this scenario, the conversion is simple, as the two new HS codes can be added together to recreate the HS code from the previous revision. For Madagascar, the conversion to the HS 090500 code was made as follows. Exports of products under the HS 090510 plus exports of products under the HS 090520 equals exports of products under the HS 090500. We perform this analysis for the HS code 090500, which exists in the HS 2007 revision. Imagine, however, that from the very beginning we had chosen the code 090510. In the selection menu, we type 090510 and see that trade indicators are not available for this code since TradeMap is currently using the HS 2007 revision to construct trade indicators. What can we do in this case? We can go to corresponding product codes available under the reference material. Here, we see all the corresponding codes between the HS 2007 revision and all the other HS revisions. Let's set our filter to the 9th chapter. We see that the HS code we wish to analyze, 090510, is given in the right column, and the corresponding code from the HS revision 2007, code 090500, is given in the left column. Thus, we can make the analysis for the code 090500, but we have to bear in mind that the correspondences are by nature imperfect as the product definitions differ. Let's quickly recap the key points we have seen in this example. TradeMap provides clear information about HS revisions and automatically detects the HS code's correspondence. In time series, you can find any code. You must be cautious when the title displays the product code selected above has been removed from the 2012 HS revision, or a similar warning. In trade indicators, you will find only HS revision 2007 codes. If you are looking for trade indicators using the code that is unavailable in HS 2007, you can select a more aggregated product group, for example at the HS4 level, or the closest corresponding HS6 code. In the latter case, be careful since the product definitions between corresponding codes can be different.